Okay, so here we go. So the gold is molten, and we turn this, and it pours. And the cool thing about this machine is then it actually injects argon gas into that chamber to force the gold into every little teeny tiny crevice so that we get a complete casting. Then we'll pull the flask out and we'll dunk it in some water. So here you go. Here's that beautiful 2-carat diamond that we are going to then set into this ring after we get it all polished and ready to set. So here's that rough casting we pulled out of the water, and as you can see, it has a lot of rough surfaces that we're going to need to polish and smooth out before we can set that diamond in. And so now we have that diamond, and we're going to do our first test fit. So we still have quite a bit of metal to remove, so I actually switched over to what's called a heart burr, and this one is shaped a little bit sharper on the edges, but it removes metal a lot quicker. And as you can see here, we're using a pair of jeweler's pliers to then move the prongs and tighten them up around the stone. So once that stone is perfectly set, we're going to remove some excess material and get those prongs cleaned up so they have a nice shine to them. So here you see we're leveling out the top of those prongs, we're filing them down, and then we're going to even out the insides and make everything nice and symmetrical. So here's that final ring, all polished and cleaned up and ready to send to the client.